Welcome back to Codecademy's JavaScript course. This is the variables section, the increment and decrement operator. Other mathematical assignment operators include the increment operator, which is plus plus, and decrement operator, minus minus. The increment operator will increase the value of the variable by 1. The decrement operator will decrease the value of the variable by 1. For example, we have let a be assigned 10. And then we do a plus plus, this will log out 11. If we do let b be assigned 20, and then do b minus minus, once we log that out, it will output 19. So just like the previous mathematical assignment operators, plus equals, minus equals, times equals, divided equals, the variable's value is updated and assigned as the new value of that variable. Instructions. Using the increment operator, increase the value of gain $. So if we zoom out a bit and go here and then do gain $, and we do plus plus, that should increment to 4. We could even console.log it just to make sure we see that increment. Okay, so we zoom out, log it, we do get 4, we did pass. Number 2 says using decrement operator, decrease the value of lost $. Similarly, we do lost $, minus minus, semicolon, console log that, lost $. Same, we should have one less than the 50, so it'd be 49. And it does show up, and we did pass that. And so the main thing that we're learning here is the increment and decrement operator, which can be done by doing the plus plus after our variable or the minus minus after our variable. The increment operator will add 1, decrement operator will subtract 1 from our variable. If you guys get that, you guys got this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.